global warming? If we go straight to the definition, it says, global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide and other pollutants. We, being human, are responsible for whatever negativity is affecting the Earth. Due to global warming, deserts are expanding, glaciers are melting, while heat waves and wildfires are becoming more common. This change in the nature of our Earth is also known as climate change. Now, let's walk towards the causes of global warming. Generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. It continues by manufacturing and industry-produced emissions, mostly from building fossil fuels, etc. Pakistan is an underdeveloped country, considering commercial building is also a major cause. Globally, residential and commercial buildings consume over half of all electricity produced. If we talk about transportation, most cars, lorries, ships, and planes run on fossil fuels. That makes transportation a major contributor of greenhouse gases. Impacts of global warming. Major impacts of global warming are rising temperature, cyclones and hurricanes, dryness and drought, melting of glaciers. Although Pakistan itself contributes very little to the overall emission of the greenhouse gases, yet it remains one of the most severely hit countries of the world by the process of global warming. Global warming has affected the climate of Pakistan in the following manners. First of all, floods. Secondly, droughts, rising sea level, rising temperature. Since you know what is global warming, you know what are the causes of it, you know how it is affecting our country, so there is a solution as well. We can limit the global warming. Everyone can help limit global warming by following the steps given below. You do not have to do something big, you just have to be careful in your daily life routine. And the steps are: use less energy. By saying this, I mean be more wise while using the electricity in your house, in your office, whatever source of electricity you're using. The next point is walk. It's not just good for your health, but it also reduces transport pollution. Use cycle or take public transport. Do not use your private vehicle without any genuine reason. Reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. This sentence holds so much in it. Bring a habit of reusing the stuff. Build in the habit of repairing the stuff, and make a habit of recycling the things. Last but not the least, switch to renewable energy sources.
नई वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें।